Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about how we can make OmniScript multi-language supported. So first of all, we just need to check some prerequisite things like what are the language supported in our org in order to translate those languages from English. So how to make OmniScript multi-language? So basically on clicking on this new button, we can just so by default the language is English. We can just change it to multi-language and we can just create the OmniScript. And let me just provide the OmniScript name like multi-language OS and type as multi-lang OS and let me just click on save. So after creating a OmniScript with the defaulted language, like on defaulted language is English. So on clicking on this gear icon, we can just update it to like to any other languages. So that we can also do after creating the OmniScript. So now let me just check the prerequisite stuff. So in the quick find, we just need to search for translation language settings. So under this translation workbench, we can find that, and in here we can find all the supported languages in have in our org. So this is active and translator. So who can see the translated words in our org? So we can see that like Italian, French, Japanese, Danish, Swedish, German, Spanish. These are all languages are supported. So what about the languages having the activated? We can see those languages supported. So now if we just want to add a new language, so we can do that by click on this add button, and in here we just need to select our language. For example, this Latvian, and we can just search. We just need to search for specific users in order to see the translated language, like identify translators for this language, and you can just select user to make the user available to see the translated language. So this is how we can just add a new language as well. And next steps, like from the custom levels. So in the custom levels, we can make this custom level in reference in the OmniScript. So from the custom levels itself, like as we know, the custom level supports multilingual. That's why we can reference the custom levels across our applications in Apex, Visual Force pages, in OmniStudio components as well, in the flows as well. So let me just create a custom level, and let me just provide the custom level name as full name, and let me just provide the category as well to find the custom levels in future easily. Customer info and value as full name, and let me just click on save. Now we can see that this translation is available for this custom levels, and if I just click on this new button and we just want to translate it to Spanish first, so let me just select the Spanish, and in here we just need to provide the translated text for Spanish. So I'll just copy the full name, and in the web we can just find English to Spanish translation, and I'll be just entering the text as full name, and let me just copy the translated word, and let me just provide in here. Now let me just create a new view to find the custom levels in a easy manner. My custom levels, and let me just filter on categories that I just provided while creating the custom levels. So my category name was like customer info, and let me just click on save, and we can see that our custom level, and if I just click on this custom level, I can see that only this Spanish language is there for the custom level, and we can just add multiple language. For the time being, I'm just adding Spanish. In later I'll just add another language to demonstrate. And let me just create another custom level for address, category as customer info, and value as address, Let me just click on save. On translation, I'll just add for Spanish as well, and in here we just need to find the translated text for Spanish. So this is the translated word for in Spanish for address. So now we have two custom labels created. So I'll just refer the custom labels in the OmniScript so that we can just translate the specific words. And so this is our OmniScript. So I'm just created an OmniScript new in the new OmniStudio Standard Designer. And in here I can just place like text input, and for address let me just provide text area. And now in the text I can just provide the full name. So this API name needs to be same as the element name here. So let me just provide label as full name. In here there no need underscore, but in the API name element API name, this needs to be same as the custom label API name, right? So now let me just update for address. And finally, what are the configurations we need to do in order to make it multi-language supported? So on clicking on this, so we can see this in the language, we can see this pencil icon multi-language. So I'll just click on this pencil icon, and in here we can see these are the out of the box elements of like script configuration step 1. These are the out of the box elements available like save for later save changes, but we just need to update only the full name and address. So we just need to make the full name API name uh, same as the custom label API name, right? So after configuring it, we should see this in this section. So in the full name, so this now being able to be translated into the particular language. So custom label value in English. So this is the custom label name, and so this is the label, and these are the value we have provided. So the same for address, and let me just click on save in English. So it will take like 2 to 3 minutes to be activated. That's why we just need to wait for some time. And let me just click on preview. So we can see that this is in English now. Let me just update the language to Spanish. And we can see that this translated text is available right away. So if I just click on another language, let me just choose Swedish. This should not be translated since we have not configured for Swedish language in the custom levels, right? We should see the English word only. But if I just revert it to Spanish, we can see the translated text for Spanish. Now, if we want to make it more language supported, in that case, we just need to go to the custom level. For example, I'm just going to address, and let me just create a new translation for address. And in here, I just need to make search for, like, for example, I just want to translate it for Italian, and we just need to find the Italian translation for this one, address Italian. So this is the Italian translated word for address. Let me just paste this one. So we can see that this address supports now Spanish and Italian. And let me do it for full name as well. Let me just click on this new, and here need to search for Italian, and let me just copy the full name. Let me just paste it here. So our custom level configuration is done for Italian as well. Now I'll just go back to this OmniStudio, and let me just refresh this one. So this is for Spanish. Now let me just choose Italian, and we can see the Italian translated text is available here. So this is how we can just simply make OmniScript multi-language supported, and we can just definitely make sure the language is selected as multi-language in order to get the multi-language supported in OmniScript. And we just need to update the OmniScript translations in order to make it matched with the custom labels API name with the API element name of the OmniScript elements. So this is how we can do that. We can update for help text for an element as well to make the help text also multi-language supported. Like for this element text element, uh, can see in the help options we can just make the help text as well as a multi-language supported. So those are the steps we can just do and we can play around. So that's all for today's demo. I'll be covering more tutorial on Salesforce, OmniStudio and Data Cloud topics. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.